Hi friends. So from today onwards, we are going to discuss about the logicals. Okay. From today onwards we are going to discuss about the logical programs in Python. Okay. So logicals means it's not a rocket science. Okay. Just first of all, we have to understand how the line to line behavior it is executing. Okay. How it will line to line executing. So actually the requirement is so observe normally. Suppose I'm having a requirement. Okay, I'm having one requirement. So star, next double star, next triple star, next next I have stars in this way. So now my requirement is I want to print this pattern. Okay. Now my requirement is I want to print this pattern. I want to print this pattern when I give input 5. Okay, when I give input 5, okay, when I give input 5, I want to print this pattern. Okay, I want to print this pattern. Okay, observe carefully. So my requirement is when I give input 5, so it should print this pattern. Okay, it should print this pattern. It should print this pattern. Clear? With the n is equal to input 5. N is equal to input 5. So for that what we have to do is first of all we have to analyze. Okay, first of all we have to analyze how it is the behavior. Okay, how it is the behavior. And one more thing, to understand this one, first of all you have to be the knowledge on nested loops. Okay, you have to be the knowledge on nested loops. Okay, observe here. So first of all, we have to know that nested loops, okay, nested loops. Okay, already I have explained it flow control concept in my video. So just if you want more clarity, just to watch the video there one time, then you will get the clarity. Just I will give one basic reference, then you will get the idea. So normally nested loops means the loop, okay, the loop which is declared, which is declared inside another loop. The loop which is declared inside another loop is nothing but, okay, the loop which is declared inside another loop declared inside another loop, which is nothing but nested loops. Okay, nested loops. So that is means for I in range of 10. Okay, for I in range of 10. Next internally immediately for j in range of 10. 10. Print the I print I print I. Next j j I value followed by j. Okay, so let me print in this way. First I is equal to I value. Next here j followed by j. Okay, so we can call this one as a nested loops. Okay, this one we can call it as a nested loops. Okay, observe carefully now. So first how the behavior will be of this program, then you will understand how to print this type of patterns. Okay, first observe. If I execute this one, so how it is executing, then based on that you will get clarity on remaining things. Okay, first observe here. I'm executing. Okay, let me down 3 and here also 3. Then if you get the clarity on this type of nested loop, then only it is possible to print this type of things. Okay, first let me explain that nested loop, then you will get the clarity, then you will get what the clarity. Okay, first observe the scenario here. Okay, how it is executing means okay, let me copy this program into notepad, then I will explain. Let me take another. Okay, so observe here. So now we, along with this, what is the output? This is the output. Okay, observe here first. Observe here first, for I in range of 3. Okay, for I in range of 3 means it ends only 2. It ends only 2. First value will be 0. When first value will be 0, so it will come to here. So here what is I in range of 3? Okay, I in range of 3. So here also loop will repeat 2 times. Okay, loop will repeat 2 times. When 2, it will come to here. Okay, it will come to here. So now I value is what? 0. And the j value is what? 0. Okay, so it next it will come to here. So on the first iteration, what is the values of this? So in that case it will print this one. Okay, first case, when I0, next j is also 0. Okay, j is also 0. Right, first iteration got completed. Okay, first iteration got completed. Okay, first iteration got completed. First iteration got completed. Observe carefully. Second, so j is 0 1 completed. So next j is a 1. Okay, when j is 1, okay, j is 1. Here I is 0 only. Okay, I is 0, but j only got incremented to 1. J only got incremented to 1. That is nothing but what? I0 j 1. Okay, I0 j 1. Okay, I0 j 1. So once it is completed, next it will come to here only one more time. J is incremented, j is 2. J is 2. But now it is going to come to here. Okay, is going to come to here. And I is I is 0, but j is 2. I is 0, j is 2. Okay, I is 0, j is 2. So in that way, first 3 loops got completed. Okay, first 3 loops got completed. So in this way, okay, in this way every iteration will complete. So once I is 0 completed, next when j is 3. Okay, when j is 3, when j is 3 means loop got I mean 3, it's not satisfied. Okay, 3 is not satisfied, and it comes out from this loop, come to here. Now previously I was 0. Previously I was 0. So that 0 got changed. 0 got changed to 1. 0 got changed to 1. Okay, when 0 got changed to 1, again it will come to inner loop. Okay, again it will come to inner while loop. So it starts again from 0. It starts again from 0. So 0 means here already 3 is there. So 3 means 2. 3 means 2. So it will come to here when j is 0. First iteration j is 0. But here but here I already but here I already 0. 1 and j is 0. Okay, second iteration. Okay, second iteration. So this is the out. I is equal to 1, j is 0. So in that way, when I is constant, keep on j only incrementing. Okay, if you observe here, okay, if you observe here, when I is constant, when I is constant, keep on j only incrementing. Did you observe that point? Okay, did you observe that point here? Here mostly in the inner loop. Okay, in the inner loop, when I is constant, I is constant, keep on j only incrementing. J only incrementing. Did you observe that point? If you observe for last iteration also, when I is constant, keep on j only incrementing. Okay, keep on j only incrementing. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Printing the patterns. Okay, in this way only is it is possible to print the patterns. Clear, right? So if you are having any questions on this pattern, just watch this video one more time, you will get much clarity. So you will get much clarity, right? So if you get clarity on these type of patterns, then only it is possible to understand patterns. Okay, in your possible ways, if you want to print the patterns, first of all you have to get the knowledge on clear clarity on these type of patterns, then only it is possible. Okay, then only it is possible, right? Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Friends, please subscribe to my channel for the logical. So today onwards, I'm going to discuss logicals also in depth. Okay, each iteration how the PVM is considering. So in the same way, I will explain. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Okay, thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.